In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. If you've noticed that files, photos, or videos are taking forever to download on Telegram, this walkthrough will help you go through the most important things to check and adjust. We'll move step by step, keeping everything simple and practical so you can follow along on your own device as you watch or listen. First, make sure your internet connection is actually stable and reasonably fast. Before blaming Telegram, try opening a few websites or streaming a short video from another app. If those are also slow or buffering a lot, the issue may be with your Wi-Fi or mobile data, not Telegram itself. In that case, try moving closer to your router, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, or restarting your router. It's a basic step, but it solves more problems than you might expect. Next, open the Telegram app and head into its settings. On mobile, tap the menu icon or your profile, then look for the Settings option. Inside Settings, find the section related to data and storage or network usage. Here, Telegram often includes options that can limit how much data the app uses over mobile data or Wi-Fi. If there's a download speed limit, a data saver, or any restriction that caps your speed, turn those off or raise the limit so Telegram is allowed to use your full connection speed. While you're still in the app, check if automatic media download options are too restrictive. If images, videos, and files are only set to download on Wi-Fi, they might feel slow or stuck when you're on mobile data. Adjust these settings to match how you actually use Telegram. But remember that more automatic downloading can use more data. It's also a good idea to close and reopen the app, or even restart your phone or computer. This can clear temporary glitches that may be affecting performance. On desktop, make sure no other heavy downloads are running in the background, like game updates or large file transfers, since they can take most of your available bandwidth and leave very little for Telegram. Finally, check whether there's an update available for Telegram in your App Store or on the official website. Running the latest version ensures you have recent performance improvements and bug fixes that can affect download speeds. Follow these checks in order, and after each change, try downloading a file again to see if things improve. With a stable connection, the right settings, and an updated app, your Telegram downloads should feel much faster and smoother.